Yum!
How about we mix all of these together to make potato pancakes?
Now let's see what else we need to make this.
You'll need 250 grams of potatoes, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of cheese, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. You'll also need some oil.
These potatoes have been boiled and peeled off. This cheese is homemade. I'll tell you in the next video how to make this shredded cheese.
Let us start by grating these potatoes.
Meanwhile, I'm going to break this egg and beat it.
So here I've grated my potatoes.
And I have beaten my eggs. Let's put all the ingredients together. Here we are going to add another 2 tablespoons of water just to make the consistency right. It should not be too thick. It should be just like this. If you need, you can add water, else if it's in the right consistency, you can start going ahead and making your pancakes.
Heat your pan and then add in some oil.
Now the oil is being heated. Let's take in a spoon. You have to spread it like this. It takes 3 to 4 minutes to get cooked on one side, and then you can flip it off. Now it's being cooked under. Let's flip it off. Wow, it's been beautifully roasted.
They look really crisp. Potato pancakes are ready!
This is a healthy and tasty breakfast that you could give for your growing kids. They would love to have it, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.